Hello, Usborne fourth grade artists. I want to teach you about an artist named Robert Indiana. He was a pop artist in the 60s. I think he passed away a year ago. Or maybe, I don't know, I was looking at a YouTube video on him and it mentioned that he had passed. But he's very, very famous and he made sculptures and paintings and he's very graphic and bold. His work was very colorful and bold, and he used words. So there's a very famous sculpture in New York City, and it's the Love sculpture, and I think it's on 56th Street. And the O is slanted, and he used a typeface, and it's a bold love sculpture. And it's very famous. But anyways, that's Robert Indiana's work. And we're going to create a love word like Robert Indiana did out of paper towel rolls or bathroom tissue rolls. But what you need to do to create the letters is lightly draw in pencil first. So I kind of sketched it out in pencil first. And I'm going to go over it so I could really see it in a black Sharpie. This is the L. And you kind of have to press down on the paper towel roll or bathroom tissue roll to cut. This is going to be cut away. That's the negative space. And here is the O in love. The O is just, you just want to curve it a little bit. You want to curve it and stop it there because it's three-dimensional and that's going to join with the other piece. You'll see what I mean when I cut it. You just want to curve, and this will be cut away. That will be cut away. And you know, if you get good at this, you could do other words too. He did the word hope, and you could almost write any small word, not a really big word, small word. This is the O. Oh, sorry, this is the V. That was the O. This is the V. That gets cut. That gets cut away. That gets cut away. L-O-V. And the E, I sort of sketched out the lines. It's a block letter E. That gets cut away. And this gets cut away. But remember, it's dimensional, so I think you're going to have fun with this. I am now going to take my scissor, and I'm pressing gently on my paper towel roll, my bathroom tissue roll, and I'm cutting out that X'd area, the negative space. And I'm going to have a freestanding L. Pop it back out nice and round. There is an L. And now I'm going to do my O. I'm coming in and curving there and curving here and curving at the bottom, but you need an attachment. I don't know if I did that right. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that's a pretty good O. See? That's the O. And here's the V. You gotta press on it. And just that comes out and that comes out. Think about your attachment because it's in the round. And this is the top of the V. You could have a kind of rounded V. Stylize your letters. There's my V. You see? There's the V, and here's my E. You can make up your own word. I did whitewash the cardboard so I could paint it later a nice bright color. And my husband said an interesting thing. He said, why don't you try it out of construction paper, make your own tube? And I think that's a great idea too. You could use red construction paper and try that. Think out of the box. There's my E. Keep it connected. Keep it really rounded. All right. There is my love. And is it front? Is it the right direction? No. L. Oh, I want to cut out the center. So I'm using a hole punch. You could just make a nice, I'm using a hole punch, or you could kind of gently pierce it with a scissor, but I want you to be careful. So get in there to get in there and take out the O, the center, the negative space. And there's my O for love. And then, you know, you could trace however you want to do this. And cut this one out. This is, I could have done it at the same time. Oh, there we are. There's the negative space of the O. Voila. L-O, and it's freestanding V-E. And I will come back with part 2 to paint it.